Every day feels the same. I wake up surrounded by things I bought, but somehow I still feel empty. They say the things we own tell the world who we are. But what if the world stops looking?
Nakatulala, nakatinala, umiiyak, tila mong pinabalata.
I pose, I smile, I pretend everything is fine. But behind the filters, I barely recognize myself.
Malimot ang nakaraang mga nangyayari. Di na nanahimik sariling pag-iisip. May oras na walang imig. Ikaw lang ang nasa isip. May mga tao na alis at mananatili.
Everyone walks, laughing, talking. I try to fit in, but it always ends walking alone.
Lungkot at sakit patuloy na nakakubli sa ilalim ng mga ngiti humigpit. Pangako sa hangin.
It's funny how I have everything. I thought I needed clothes, phone, shoes, but not that one thing I really want. Connection. Sometimes I wonder, am I defined by what I have or by what I've lost? Maybe the more I try to fill the emptiness with things, the more it grows.
Bigaya'y hanapin. Bigaya'y hanapin. Bigaya'y
I used to believe success meant comfort, that owning more meant becoming more. But now, my room is full and my soul feels vacant.
may mga tao na alis at nanatili. Itiyak ang
I
tadhana.
keep searching for meaning in real things,
Kamali.
but they only reflect back the loneliness I tried to hide. Maybe I truly need can't be bought. Maybe peace doesn't come in a package
May mga
or a price tag. Maybe it is found in silence and honesty, in learning to live without needing to be seen.
Tiyak ang tadhana, kaya't maaari.
Maybe I bought all these things to feel seen, but no one really sees me.
Lungkot at sakit patuloy na nakakubli.